This is me basically applying a cocktail of dirt on my trousers to find out if my crude homemade washing machine actually clean clothes. So let's find out, but first let's get some context.
So this is a crude washing machine made from scraps and everyday items. For example, this is simply just a broken bowl that was simply patched, and then the wash basket is simply just a broken bucket that blew. And then to power everything, we have the induction motor. We aren't using this because it was overheating. So I just strap a drill at its back to make use of the gearbox, right? The gear system. Yeah, I know it's really inefficient, but yeah, that's not because it works for now. Okay, so the goal is to actually determine if this machine will actually clean clothes, right? So for this test, I'm going to be using I'll use two clothes, right? I'll use two clothes. So this isn't really that busy. The same with this, but take a closer look, you notice towards the leg we have like some stains, like mud stains on the shoe. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the cocktail of dirt, right? So I'm going to stain the trousers. So this, since the quality is like, we're going to use it as, I don't know, is it control or test to see if it actually leaves stains. So I'll simply just put it this first, and then let's go make some dirt cocktail. Let's stain the trousers. Okay, so we have some soil. And then palm oil. So I'll just pour in some water. They'll just like, that's a lot of mud there. Like, so, and then yeah, the palm oil, right? So just take some. So I'm actually afraid that the palm oil might not come out, so I'll put it down like towards the leg, so it's not visible. Maybe it doesn't come out. So yeah. So just rub it. What am I doing? What am I doing? So yeah, you have the palm oil and you have the mud. I'll just keep it to dry for some time, right? So it kind of gets thick. Yeah, even though it wouldn't be that strong, but yeah. That's what it is. So I think it's kind of I think it has somehow benefited the fibers of the cloth. So let's just see what happens, right? Okay. So we see just there's lots of dirt. Like what is that? Like what did I just do? Like just put it in here, right? I think that's all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so now add the water, and I'm actually going to be using the water that I've been using since, because like I've actually run lots of tests and like I've run from water and detergent. That's that. Okay. So and the reason I'm using this block is because our bucket is kind of like conical, right? The base has a smaller diameter than the inlet of the bucket. So we're trying to kind of like make the water slant. I'm sure I'll just put an animation here so you can see what I mean. So safety first. I don't know if it's necessary, but yeah, I'm actually really excited to see if it's actually clean this school, because since I began doing this test, most of my clothes weren't that dirty. So I didn't really I wasn't really able, yeah, it actually clean, but yeah, I didn't see this dirt actually get out there. Excited, man, like. So I don't know if I'm going to run this one out, because this motor, like the drill is not designed to run for hour, and this motor was also overheating. Actually has enough torque charging, and it was even moving faster than I wanted. So that's why I use the drill. But we'll just like maybe we'll rest at intervals, right? I'll just allow the motor to rest. I'll run it and let it rest for intervals. We'll run it for, let's say, an hour, right? So I'll just turn the time lapse. Let's first turn on the motor. Check my chops. Okay, so let's turn it on and see what happens, right? That's 5:33. So by 6:33, we should be turning this dial off, right? Okay. So I'm going to turn the camera to this kind of thing. That's what I mean, right? Okay, so I think I need to ask a little bit. Even I'm out of powder discipline. I think you ask some local bar too, but I'll just fly it. I've seen some people on the internet. Just chop up and then just I think it's openly up in there. So again, taking our opportunity to let the view rest, right? So okay, and this is the it is not. Just turn it on and then turn on the tap, turn on the tank.
Well, sadly, yes, what happened? The nut that fastens the dry shaft to the wash basket actually began slipping, and I was willing to call it the day since we're just about 30 minutes into the wash cycle. But later on I decided to try fastening it. It somehow worked, but it was still slipping. But nevertheless, I just took this opportunity to set up the light since it was already getting dark in preparation for the review, right? And also got the phone fully charged.
So yeah, that's 6. Okay, so yeah, a lot of challenges like the camera going off and then the boot kind of loosening. So we have to stop the wash cycle at about 6 p.m. So it washed for about, let's say, approximately 30 minutes. So let's find out if anything actually got clean, right? Like, I'm really curious to see. Can I even turn? Ah, that's the problem with the drill. That's the problem. That's the problem. And like, the drill is kind of locked, right? Okay. Let's see. Oh, the drill trouser, right? That's our focus. That's what man. I don't know what it is. God, the doubt is gone. Like, okay. Let's see. What am I? Like, alright, I can't see anything like that blue light there. It's kind of like it stays in there. Let's check for the oil stain, right? I can't remember the exact which is, but there's nothing there. Neither here. Nothing here. And then yes, we talked on the get around this place. Can you see? Wow. Like I'm really like surprised, like how is this possible? Like nail like what? I thought this wouldn't work like us. It's kind of crazy. Like it's actually clean, like what? Not bad, not bad. Let's get the rest out. And talk about like how to open the machine, right? Like why was it sleeping? Okay. So this one, since you just had, I'm sure you have like the color mark like that. I'm not sure it's there anymore. Okay, so that's it. The camera turned off again, but luckily for us, we're able to get the result on camera. Yeah, those weren't the toughest yet, but I was still impressed by that because I initially ran the machine, but the clothes didn't get clean. But upon doing some research, I realized the drum was actually spinning faster than I actually thought it was spinning, because when the drum is spinning really fast, the clothes gets they stick to the wall right with a centrifugal force, but rather the clothes have to tumble for them to wash, like rub against each other, fall, you know. So yeah, but yeah, I was actually surprised with the result. So I would have loved to do a lot of like improvement. Like for example, I would have loved to include this timer, right? Like this is the mechanical timer from a fan, like so you could set the time for the wash cycle. And also I would have loved to put like a momentary switch to turn off the motor at intervals, so I wouldn't be doing that manually, since the motor is designed to run for long. Yeah, but for now I'm caught up with time, so I have to worry about the school. So yeah, that's been it for now. And as you can tell, this is a passion project, and this wouldn't be like the last video on this topic. Like we have like more, so that's this.